Hi guys, welcome to Print Drive. This is the host Ranveer, and in this video is all about our new 4-in-1 startup press. This press includes of 4 colors, 1 palette. So you can do all sort of printing in multiple colors. So first of all, we start from our palette. This palette is enough to do A3 plus print. It have 2 knobs which can be easily open and detach your palette from your machine, and you can put new palette like sleep palette, tag palette, baby palette, what palette you have for other printing needs. So, and after that, just tighten up to tight the palette. So this palette is like for all flat surface like t-shirt, papers, bags, any sort of flat surface you can do. After that, we'll go to our bearing locks. In our bearing locks, you can easily do printing in hundreds of time with perfect registration. You won't get any issue in 2+2 prints or dark color garment where you have to give more prints. And after that, we'll go to our clamp, frame holding clamp. This clamp is circular knob. You can open the knob, put a frame, what frame you have, like wooden, aluminum, what frame you have, you can put it here, tight it up and start printing. And we have high duty springs which will go for a long time, more than 50,000 prints. Like after that, it is easily detachable and changeable. Equal to easily 4 color, and this machine is around capacity, if you for a working day, will be around 150 to 100 prints. So it's good for the startups who want to kickstart their printing journey. And you know, we are manufacturers of all sort of printing, garment printing machines. We are distributors and suppliers of materials for printing. So you will get everything in one roof. And if you don't know printing, give us a call. We'll give a training and show you how to do printing. So feel free to take a demo today. Call us now. Thank you. See you soon. And like our video, subscribe our video, and share it to lots of people so that we can continue making this type of video in future. Thank you.